Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise from your audio using Audacity. This tutorial is going to be very fast and very efficient for beginners. So if this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So let's get started guys. First of all, open the Audacity and record your audio. Make sure that you are keeping some time without talking. This is why, because we are going to remove this part as noise profile. So we need a noise profile to capture the audio and we are going to keeping it in a memory of Audacity. And after that, we are going to use the whole profile in our full audio. Let's see how we can do it. Suppose this is the sound of the environment. And now we want to remove the whole environment sound from the full audio. So first of all, we have to select that environmental sound that we want to remove from our audio, and after then we have to choose this effect and then go to noise removal and repair. Then choose noise reduction. Then click on this get noise profile. Now we have gotten that profile. Now we are going to remove this sound from the whole audio. Let's see how we can do it. Select the full audio and then choose effect again, go to noise removal and repair and then choose noise reduction. And now we have to click on this OK button. And that's it. We have cleaned our audio from that profile. So we have to do this process 2 times to get better results. So let's see how we can repeat it again. So you can click on this effect icon again and then you can click repeat noise reduction. So that's it. Here you can see that the environment is clean now and it already applied on the full audio. I usually recommend you to choose the default one as I am using the default version of noise reduction. So choose this noise reduction and here you can see that you can adjust them. I will not suggest to adjust them by your own because Audacity is providing you the exact default for yourself. Just click on this OK button every single time after getting the noise profile and your audio is going to be very clean and very smooth. So that's all about today's video, how you can remove noise from your audio using Audacity. So now if we play the video, you will see the magic.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise from your audio.
So that's the best result right now. So if you want to use any specific sound, then normally choose that sound and click on this effect and then go to noise removal and repair, noise reduction, get that sound profile and after then apply that noise sound profile to the whole audio to remove that audio from your audio. Okay, so I'm not making it complex. I hope you understood it, how you can do it. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye. Allah Hafiz.